I really was excited to get involved with Impact, kind of getting a closer look at the real work that people are doing down here at Skidaway and the aquarium down here. It's been wonderful.
Being part of the trip contributes to the research that's already been going on at the University of Georgia. And at the end of the day, I think what really matters in this trip is just to be able to connect with other people and hopefully make a better change in our society, inspiring others to do the same thing and make a difference in their own local communities.
I like being out in the field and being able to do these kinds of hands-on work, and especially being able to see these invasive species being taken out of the places they're not supposed to be in. Service has always been something that I highly value, so having different service organizations within UGA has opened up a whole world of opportunities and led me to amazing trips like this.
Honestly, I think that UGA creating this opportunity for all of us to come out just helps students gain a better understanding of how these different ecosystems are all connected, how organisms are connected, because it's something that I would have never thought to do on my own, or there's a million different things that I never thought I would have learned from coming here. And honestly, it was a great experience.
I think one of the coolest things that we get to kind of facilitate here is we teach about nature while we're in it, while we're looking at it. We're gonna do a little tour, get to see all the animals, because that's the fun part, obviously. Get to see loggerhead sea turtle behind me, and then some of our snakes and other animals. And then as far as the stewardship goes, we're gonna be cutting up number 5 plastic, special plastic that not everywhere can recycle. So get a little tour of what we do on island as a community, and then to our marsh location, where it's heavily affected by tides and a lot of stuff washes up. And so we certainly hope that they have a deeper appreciation for the environment around them. We hope that they leave with happy memories. People always look back on those times at camp or field trips and all the fun memories they have. And so we're just trying to get that experience for as many people as we can.